Teka lang, mayroon akong isi-share na kunting message sa inyo na sinasabi ng Hebrews chapter 12 verse number 1. Let us run the race with patience. Na kung saan ba kapatid maiintindihan natin ito na this race is a heavenly kind of race. That we need a good start. A good start mga kapatid began when we heard and accept the word of the Lord. And number 2, we need a real separation, what we call a genuine separation. And number 3, this is what we call devotion. We need to be devoted. Amen. Kailangan na tayo'y magiging devoted sa ating paglilingkod sa Diyos. Hindi po pwedeng bara-bara lang. Hindi po pwedeng shallow kind of service lang. Hindi po pwede po yun mga kapatid. Amen. And number 4, dito papasok ba kapatid yung glorification, which is the reward na goal natin, desire natin if we reach our destination. Kaya, bigyan mo ng kahalagahan, bigyan mo ng atensyon, bigyan mo ng importansya, bigyan mo ng panahon. We need to spend time. We need to give our very best because this race is a heavenly race. To God be the glory.